Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Commerzbank login error easily. First, open the app and check your login details. Make sure that your username and PIN are typed in correctly. Avoid typing mistakes. Then, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. After that, head over to your app store and then go to the app store and update the Commerzbank app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Now, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, close your app completely and then wait for a while, then reopen it. Then try logging in again. Wait if your account is temporarily locked. That's how to fix the Commerzbank login error. Like and subscribe for more bank